Hi guys, welcome back. We've got a quick one today, the Racingline oil filler cap. Before we start, I'd like to say we've got an offer on at hookandhope.com. When you spend 150 euros or more, you get free shipping and a free beanie. So you either can choose the bleached or the black one. And all you've got to do is put in the notes section whether you want the black or the bleached. I'll put it in the order for you and make sure it gets to you. So let's get started. Alright, so some things we've got oil filter just to change that, even though we're not doing an oil change. Nice fresh one. Got some gloves, of course the Racingline filler cap, and then a ratchet with the oil cap socket on it. I've just put some masking tape, as you can see, just so I don't scratch the nice billet aluminium one. This one looks crazy. And this is what we're going to be replacing with this. So first we're going to remove this one. Might put the gloves on just to keep the hands a bit cleaner. Okay, and that's that. So we'll remove the old filter. And then we've got to be really careful with this dipstick. It should. Ooh, just got myself in the face. Lovely. Good job on wearing black. But I've just put my, there we go, I've just put my finger in there, got it as low as I can and then pushed it. And it has released. There you go. It's not cracked it, there's a little spring in there as well. There you go. Right, we've got this spring and this little bit seats in it. Now we've got to get that nestled in there. New filter. I'm wondering if I push this in, it's going to help it click. Might not be the best way to do it, but here we go. Nope. Ooh, we're in. It did work. Look at that. So I lined the spring up this way round, and then once it was in the position, this way round, and then once it was in the position, I flipped it back over. Yeah, so I just took the filter out. As you can see, this hasn't snapped, this is seated. Just going to pop this back in. Click. Make sure we get a little bit of oil on the O-ring. That's better. And then we pop it back in. And this is why I put the masking tape on the socket, so we don't scratch this. Okay, super quick. That was awesome. The billet aluminium looks amazing. The Racingline kit really is cool, especially against the 034 Motorsports mounts, engine mounts. Maybe we can get this next. There is a cap you can get for the washer bottle as well. Maybe even get a fresh washer bottle, freshen the engine bay up. And now I'm thinking a bit of carbon over here on the fuse box cover. But lots of things to come. Don't forget the offer on hookandhope.com. Free shipping at over 150 euros and a free beanie. Put in the notes which one you want, black or bleached. I'll get it sent over to you. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.